Here is a motivational story of Nick Vujicic. Nick Vujicic was born without arms, but he refused to let his physical limitations hold him back. Despite the challenges he faced, Nick learned to surf, play football, and even skydive. Growing up, Nick struggled with depression and feelings of worthlessness, but he found solace in his faith and his desire to inspire others. He began speaking at his school and soon became a motivational speaker, traveling the world to share his message of hope and resilience. Today, Nick is a best selling author, husband, and a father of two. He has inspired millions of people around the world with his courage, positivity, and determination. Nick's story teaches us that our circumstances do not define us. We have the power to choose how we respond to challenges and to use our experiences to make a positive impact on the world.